When a creditor files a lawsuit against you, they begin the process at court and then typically hire a process server to deliver a copy of the summons and complaint to you as required by law. In the following slides, we will show you an example of a summons and explain what all the different items on it mean and whether the information provided is crucial to you. This is a picture of a real summons that one of our past clients received from Forster Garbus. The client's information has been redacted and playfully replaced with Bert Ernie's. This is the index number used to identify your case. This is the party suing you. This party is called the plaintiff. This is the date the index number was given by the court and is usually not relevant to you. This is your information. You're the defendant being sued. The information listed here is the alleged basis for why you are being sued in the specific court where the case was filed. It may or may not be correct. This is the date the document was drafted by the plaintiff, but it doesn't factor into your deadline for answering the lawsuit, so it can be ignored. This area may contain information regarding the original account and some file info that the party suing you or their attorneys uses to identify your account. This section explains how long you have to file an answer to the lawsuit. To figure out the start date, you need to know when and how you were served. When you've been served with a summons and complaint, you need to respond as soon as possible. If you need help in responding to a lawsuit, don't hesitate to contact our office today to schedule a free consultation.
Graham and Borgese, debt relief, made easy.